Hi guys, Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today we're going to take a walk around the Lamar F8 102 by 20 plus 4. Shown here in charcoal powder coat. This unit, besides the charcoal with black wheels, the main option would be the deluxe ramps. So the wider ramp with the mesh face. Get to those in a little bit. 20 foot of flat deck, 4 foot dovetail with the stand-up ramps. 14,000 GVW. It's going to weigh in right around 4,000 pounds. It's going to give you a net legal usable payload of about 10 plus your tongue weight. So let's take a look around the trailer, show you all the features that we like on this one. So it has a nice heavy duty front faceplate coupler. Notice it does have the 6-hole channel. It's a cast adjustable. It actually features the new style Demco easy latch. So basically this one will automatically latch as you lower down onto the ball. I was going to show you, it's actually a 21,000 pound rated coupler. I can't find it on there, but it's one of the few you can actually use on a triple axle application as well. 12,000 pound jack is standard equipment. It's got zerts to the rear there for some additional serviceability. It's spring loaded. Simply pull the handle. So you've got some adjustability via the spring assist pull pin, and then also the top line would give you additional, no need on this style for any sort of cribbing or similar. It does have an integrated chain holder, which is pretty neat. Also, cold weather wiring harness is standard equipment. It's got the newer style 7-pin plug. Actually, they put the color code on the plug-in, which is neat, something newer. It's built on an I-beam frame. Chain tray in the A-frame. It's plated out top, bottom, and then also in the center there. Front headache. Pair of grab handles to get up in. Got your side steps. Started putting the punch design on there for some extra traction. Traditional tie downs on this trailer. It's got rubber rail stake pockets, and then it's got chain spools in between, roughly 2 foot centers on stake pockets. Some of your more economical ones will leave the chain spools off. Side rail on this is also structural channel. Some do out of formed or angle. Again, that's structural channel on your side rail. 2x8 pressure treated decking standard. Also notice the diamond plate over the wheel wells. Get you down just a little bit lower. Also has a 27K axles, 235/80 R16. That's a load range E 10-ply tire assembly. It's on a black mod wheel. This has the newer style FSA or forward self-adjust brakes. So just like a car, you have proper tolerance on your brakes throughout the life with very minimal maintenance. Also has brakes on both axles and the newer style Easy Lube hubs. It's a little cold out today, but still pliable enough. Homeowner with basic hand tools can service her own bearings. This has a standard grease zert on it. Once you see fresh grease come out, you want to stop, otherwise you'll push your inner axle seals out. Grease zert on this slipper spring. Got a wet bolt kit for some added serviceability. Floor studs on this are 16 on center. They are also 3-inch structural channel. Some in the industry do a 24, or I've also seen a lot more actually now doing a form cross member on the floor instead of structural channel. If you're not familiar with formed, just like a stake pocket, you're taking a flat piece of steel, putting it in a press brake. If I can find a piece of channel to show you on end, you'll notice thickened corners, more rigid. So self-cleaning Beavertail, angle iron, standard equipment. One thing on these, a little bit heavier duty than some also that we notice would be this bumper is all made out of 4x8 tube, a little bit beefier. Remember, if you put a nice piece of equipment on there, you want a nice heavy duty bumper. Also spring assisted. Extra set of stop turn tails on the outside standard. Then also you got an extra marker light on the outside standard. Adjustable knee on the stand-up ramp is standard equipment. We go to the wider ramp. We call this the stand-up deluxe. You'll notice that the treads on these, instead of being angle, are tube, a little bit closer. Also gives you a nice flat spot for the mesh. So when you go to a stand-up ramp, you get a 4-foot dovetail. You get a little bit more usable space. Normally we do these a little bit shorter. A lot of times our flip over ramps with a 5-foot dove, we'll do in a 20+5. These in the stand-ups, we stock in 16, 18, and 20+4 for an overall length of 20, 22, and 24 foot. So again, this being a 20+4, 20 foot of flat, 4-foot dove, 5-foot stand-up spring assisted ramp. Show you the underside here. So again, structural channel is standard, breakaway box underneath, all fully sealed, wiring harness, and then your I-beam on your frame. We also do stock this with different ramp configurations. We do an 18+4 with a full gate at the rear, almost like a heavy-duty utility gate. And then we do the 2 flip overs, and then also the full width ramps are available. If you have any questions on this or any of our other trailers, feel free to give us a ring at 717-220-4220, or you can visit us on the web at bestchoicetrailers.com.